What's up guys, today I will tell you how to stake Cronos CRO on crypto.com. So let's get started. So first what you need to do is open the crypto.com application on your mobile device. Navigate to the bottom bar and tap on the accounts option. On the accounts page, scroll all the way down to find the staking section and select it. Once in the staking section, tap on the stake now button to begin the process. You will see a list of cryptocurrencies available for staking. For example, if you want to stake Cronos CRO, locate and select it from the list. After selecting CRO, enter the specific amount you wish to stake, such as 20 tokens. Carefully read and acknowledge all required statements, including risk disclosures, terms and conditions, and privacy policies. Review the stake timeline and estimated unbundling period information provided. If everything meets your requirements and you are ready to proceed, scroll to the bottom and tap Continue. This confirms your staking transaction and secures your Cronos tokens for the staking period. And that's how you stake Cronos CRO on crypto.com.